Hello again. Are you ready for the last lesson navigating through the Holt textbook website? I hope so. In this lesson we will find the textbook page with homework problems, and we will find an exact copy of your workbook page or problem solving page so you can never say you didn't have access to your homework when you get home. So the first thing we're going to focus on is the textbook page. You know that we've already been on page 76 throughout these different lessons. If you look where the 76 is, all you have to do is type in the page that I set for homework and click the Go button. It automatically takes you to the problems in your textbook. You can do one of two things. You can either print it out and do the problems on that piece of paper, or you can get out a separate sheet of paper and work the problems out there. Turn either one of them in and I will accept it. Our next stop is going to go back to the Additional Practice tab. Remember this one from the last lesson? We have the chapter resources and the lesson resources. We're going to go ahead and click on that plus button again, and this time we're going to look under Student Resources. If you look, you can find lots of different things here. You can find the interactive practice quiz. You can find your workbook page. If you need a little bit of translation, you can find the Spanish version of the workbook page. The Texas Lab Manual is where you're going to find your problem-solving worksheets. Once again, you can get a Spanish version. And the Text-It Know-It-All notebook would just be an extra practice to kind of work you through problems step by step. In this lesson, we are going to focus back on the Texas Practice B. It is an exact copy of your workbook page. It opens up in a different window. And as I said before, like the textbook page, you can either print it out and work the problems on this page, or you can do your problems on a separate piece of paper. Either way, I will accept it. If we go to the Texas Lab Manual page, this is where you'll find your problem solving. Now, if you notice, the first page is an exploration, and it just gives you a little bit about integers in this case, since we're still on Chapter 2, Lesson 1. But if you scroll to the next page or go to the next page, here is your problem-solving worksheet that sometimes we give you for homework for the lessons. Either of these will do. So, as you can see, there are still many resources here under the chapter resources. We also have a whole nother tab, videos and activities, which I didn't even focus on in these lessons. So be sure when you go home, take some time, check out all the different resources you have on the Holt textbook website. There really are lots of different things you can do here. I did go ahead and click on the video and activities. As you can see, it pulled up lesson tutorial videos, another place that you can find them. There are also interactive tutorials with key concepts and skills here for certain lessons. And there are different tools if you like to use algebra tiles or thinking about decimal grids, or it even has a graphing calculator here for you. So any of these resources are available for you, and you should take advantage of them. I hope you've had a good time going through these lessons and learning about the Holt textbook website. I'll be ready for you to work on those math skills. See you in class. Bye.